Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna quickly show you how to legally download music on YouTube without any copyright, guys. So let's jump into the video right now. But if it's your first time here, be sure to subscribe, like and share if you get some value from the video. The first thing to do, just go to YouTube and then click here on this little picture of yours and then click on a channel. And then once you're here, just click on manage videos here, guys. Once you reach this page, just come here to the left of your dashboard. You will see dashboard, content, playlist, analytics, comments, subtitles, copyright, monetization, customization, and then audio library. Once you reach here, just click here on audio library. And here we go. This is all the music you can use, guys, and they are copyright free. Before you decide to download any music here, you have an option to listen to the track before you download it. If I click here, for example, you can see that the track is playing, and if I want to download this one, I just click here and the audio will be downloaded. You see that it's downloaded already here. And you can go ahead and listen to any music you like, and you'll be able to download it and use it for free without getting any copyright. There's also sound effects here available for you that you can use, and that's how you can get the free music to use on YouTube. Otherwise, it's not permitted to download any video on YouTube, guys. Thank you very much for watching the video to the end. Be sure to like, be sure to comment if you have something to say about the content. If you have some suggestions, be sure to leave them into the comment section below, and I'll be happy to hear from you. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.